बहुत खुशी का माहौल है और द रीजन इज सिंपल, डीपीएल इज डूइंग एक्सीडिंगली वेल। खुश तो बहुत होंगे आप।
देखिए, खुश है या नहीं है वो तो टूर्नामेंट के डिजायर्ड रिजल्ट से पता चलेगा। कह सकते हैं अभी हम सेटिस्फाइड हैं, संतुष्ट हैं, क्योंकि एट द एंड ऑफ द डे एक आइडिया था कि एक प्लेटफॉर्म क्रिएट होए, एक लीग क्रिएट हो, एक फ्रेंचाइजी स्ट्रक्चर क्रिएट हो, जिसमें आप देखिए आज बारिश हुई है तब भी लोग आए हैं। एक शहर में क्रिकेट का माहौल बन रहा है जिसमें लोग आ रहे हैं, एंजॉय कर रहे हैं, प्लेयर्स को एक अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल रही है, एक प्लेटफॉर्म मिल रहा है जिसमें बहुत अच्छा खेल रहे हैं और अपना टैलेंट दिखा रहे हैं।
इतना शॉर्ट टाइम में इतना बड़ा लीग और 6 टीमों के साथ इतना जल्दी हाउ डिड यू मैनेज दिस? आई मीन दिस इज समथिंग एवरीवन इज टॉकिंग। आई मीन प्लेयर्स डिडंट हैव अ क्लू इतना जल्दी हो जाएगा।
It is not about players didn't have a clue या हमने कैसे मैनेज किया. It more or less is about how we had the intent of doing it, how we were committed to the fact that it needs to be done. And the window is very limited. The window is very limited on which you can host a Premier League. या तो ऑप्शन थी आप इस साल करिए या अगले साल करिए. So we took an endeavor to make sure that we push through, get done with it, and close this chapter.
But amazing है I mean बाकी लीग भी हो रहा है and they are also doing well. और डेली all of a sudden after IPL ऐसे लग रहा है numbers भी इतने अच्छे आ रहे हैं. सारे लोग इतना
I really don't have the numbers. I can't talk about numbers. I can only say that what we've done here is try to make sure that we put an ecosystem in place where we have good cricket being done on the ground level with the best playing conditions possible that we can provide. Whether we are better or worse than others,
there's no competition.
It's too soon to say. There is no competition. Every state has its own pluses, minuses, advantages, disadvantages, and there are no two hands which are the same. So every state has its own challenges and how to evolve and go around with it.
नहीं actually और जिस tariqe se response aa raha hai, the youngsters coming in. I mean, I have hardly seen any oldies playing. They're all youngsters and doing so well.
See, our endeavor has been since it's year one, so we gave a good draft list to the franchisees before a player draft process was done. In that draft list, we made sure that there were 4 categories of capped players, of IPL current players, of the state players, of the former IPL players. Your under 23, under 19 players, your players who were in the standby crew, your league performers, your DDCL league performers who come from the clubs, top 4 in the Premier Division, top 3 in the Super Elite, top 2 in the Elite. So we made a nice criteria formula where we had around close to 300 players, from which they had an option to pick the 120.
2 more teams coming into the side, into the system next year, 2 years later.
I don't know. It's too soon to say. It all depends on how the league progresses. Only then that qualifies.
Players इतने सारे हैं, सारे खेलना चाहते हैं.
देखिए, but then we can't have 20 teams ना.
No, but 8 teams तो standard है ना.
See, but we started with 6. We'll slowly increase. Is what I feel.
नहीं, but इतने लोगों को satisfy करना भी मुश्किल होता है कभी-कभी.
It is not satisfaction. It is about putting something good there, and the desired result will always be satisfactory for everybody.
दिल्ली क्रिकेट का सबसे बड़ा ताकत था कि throwing them young वाला. Throw them young into the ring. I mean that is it coming back, because there was always a confusion whether to go with tried and tested ones.
Indranil, going in young or going in old or going in with the experience or going with the whatever you may want to call, I say if a player has a potential and has the talent to perform for the state, he should certainly be given the chance at the horse of his age. Why should an 18-year-old or a 70-year-old not play the Ranji Trophy?
Actually.
Why not?
Yeah. Because बीच में बंद हो गया था
you
ये
see
चीज़.
so many players over here
हाँ.
who come up with who come up with performances who are from your league who've not played the state yet, but they're exceptional players.
Yeah.
A youngster was given Rishabh Pant in the opening game when he was captaining his side. He didn't keep it, he gave his keeping gloves to another youngster to keep on. For him, it was his biggest day. That's a league player.
Yes.
He would have never thought he's going to share the ground with someone like, or the dressing room with someone of an international repute.
Like Shikhar bhi aaya, you know, he's a team owner. Did you convince him to buy the team? I mean, how did you come into it?
Shekhar, I think, came on his own as a part of a consortium.
Okay.
And I think it's a very exceptional thing because you see players now giving back to the system. If they are a team owner, they know how the ecosystem is. They've been through the rigors and the grinds. They know what the talent is. Yes, someone who was till last weekend an active cricketer.
Amazing, which is, you know, I mean, owner, international owner, you know, which is not even there. I don't think any international cricketer owns a IPL team. कोई है ऐसा तो नहीं है. I don't think so. I don't think so.
I am not.
I'm not aware of it, which is
I
amazing.
am not aware of it. But obviously there are cricketers who mentor teams who are
Mentoring अलग है, ownership नहीं है.
No, but he's a co-owner of a team. It's a
Yeah.
consortium of 3 entities, and one of the entities that's over there is promoted by Shikhar.
दिक्कत होगा इस बार टीम बनाने में इतना सारे परफॉर्मर्स.
I would say कि दिक्कत नहीं है, इस दफा आसान रहेगा सेलेक्टर्स के लिए,
आसान रहेगा.
क्योंकि आपके सामने टैलेंट है, सब
तो
रिकॉर्ड
सिलेक्टर की जरूरत ही नहीं है इस ऐसे लीग के बाद. You ask me.
नहीं, see, those are things that are needed for.
System, yeah.
They bring an experience onto the table.
You have seen it during Arun Jaitley sir's time also, the Delhi Ranji Trophy team. You've seen Delhi cricket. You're sort of running the show here. So difference क्या है from dad's era to this era? Do you find any?
See, there was an era where cricket was established and you were coming up the ranks in your performance internationally. There was one World Cup that the team had won in '83, and then one happened in '7 and then in '11. So though that was an era where you were coming back up, today the amount of interest, the amount of influx of players, the amount of infrastructure that you create, how much ever you may do, it will always fall short, because that's the amount of talent this country has on cricket.
Even, you know, I mean, talking about the talent, ऐसा एक you know tempting league के बाद, you know, the guys who've not made it to these teams, 20 players in every franchisee. Well, you know, I mean, they will be dying to get into the side because this and the competition level is good.
I really don't know about that because I really don't get into those levels of administration. Idea has always been that you create a product that has an exceptional and an impeccable quality.
ये कब आया सोच कि आप तो बात कर रहे थे करेंगे.
I feel that Delhi was late by a few years. They should have done it a few years ago.
2 years ago.
Few years.
Few years ago. Oh,
few
actually.
years, not just 2 years
Okay,
ago.
okay.
I would say a few years ago.
Okay.
It's taken us some time, but finally it's come to reality.
Amazing.
Today we are almost around close about 60% through. We're on game number 22. We are about 65-70% down the tournament. It's going to work out well.
Yes.
And touch wood, it's been without hiccups till date.
Yeah. And you know, I was going around talking to a lot of people, managing people who have come from different far and wide, and they're saying this is the best state T20 tournament.
It's not fair on me to say anything
Right now, it's too early.
about what has been created. For us, it is going to be a good it's going to be a good, honest feedback if we receive from stakeholders, from spectators, from viewers, from individuals who come into the stadium. That is our earning when we are able to improve the Delhi cricketing ecosystem by creating something exceptional which delivers what it's required to do.
True. And the team owners are quite happy also because they can access you for every little thing.
See,
which is you have time for.
I don't get involved with team owners. I don't get involved with franchisees. My job as a part of the organizing structure of the league is that I just have to make sure that there's an impeccable execution happening on the ground. There's a retired former bureaucrat, an IAS officer who's the league commissioner. All active queries, active questions about franchisees, others go to them. It's their governing council that actually is running the show. We are mere organizing.
No, but they are very happy. All of them.
I hope they are happy. Not that I have heard any complaints as such.
Yeah.